until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Gainesville. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gainesville, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Lula and Gillsville. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 4 p.m. in Gainesville, it was part